Subbie tribe, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a video response to a fellow crafting YouTuber. Her name of her channel is Crafting with Liller. I will link her channel down below. But she is running a birthday giveaway for the month of November, and I took on the challenge and I want to enter. So I will link that video down below, but her rules were that you had to make a tag flip, a birthday card, and 2 embellishments with light, fun colors and birthday themed in order to enter. And she's going to have 2 prizes. I believe one is a Cricut, and the second place prize is one of her she puts together these really cute packages, and I believe that's the second place winner's prize. So I just thought it'd be so much fun to enter, and I love participating in other crafty channels, project shares, and giveaways, and I love doing all that stuff myself as much as I love hosting those kinds of things as well. So without me blabbing, let me show you really quick what I put together for her. I really hope she enjoys it. I want to publicly just wish her a happy birthday and tell her that I love her channel and that she is a crafty inspiration. I love watching her little DIYs and all the things that she did. I found her during the month of Halloween. I'm a new subbie, if you will, to her channel when she was doing the 12 days of Lillerween. I thought that was so cute. So I watched all 12 days and was like, yep, she's definitely my crafty kind of taste. And I just noticed she put this out and I was like, yep, I'm getting on board. So happy birthday. I know your name. She calls herself Liller, but her name is Lillian. So happy birthday. I hope you have a wonderful month, birthday month, if you will. And thanks so much for hosting this. I'm so excited to have joined in, and I hope you like this video response. So to jump right in, I guess I'm going to start with the tag flip. So let me move some of this stuff out of the way. So again, this was one of her requirements, and she was really easy, which is another thing I love. She didn't care about size or how many tags you did or anything like that. Her only specifics was no dark colors, and it needed to be birthday themed. She said she doesn't like dark colors. She likes everything real girly and light. So I did my best, and I tried to do like a little fun pink cupcake and donuts and ice cream theme, because that's what I think of when I think of birthday parties. So we're going to start out with my tag flip. I made it pretty large. So of course I had to make her a fun little dangle, and I used tons of my favorite thing in the world, which is eyelash trim. So that is right here. So what I think I'm gonna do, I'm able to do the flip. Okay, so my first page, or my first tag, I did like a little unicorn and put magical, because birthdays are, and yes, there's going to be lots of eyelash trim because I just love it. And then I found these adorable little, they were like a princess set paper clips, and they had unicorns and crowns in them, and I'm like, oh yes, we are definitely going there. And then I put this little envelope down here because this is happy mail. So I thought this was really, really cute. This turned out really nice. And then when you flip this over, of course, you're going to be getting to the next tag. So in here, I just made her an embellished shaker tag. It's like a little coffee tumbler, and it's a little shaker. But on the back side of the unicorn, what I did was, I wonder if anybody even remembers these. It's been a hot minute. But do you remember the labeling pockets that you could get from Target? Everybody was using these on their traveler's notebooks and such. Well, that's what I decided to use because I love the clear. I just love that look. It looks clean. So I used those pockets on the back of the tags to put all of her goodies in. And I'm not going to pull all the goodies out because, of course, I think she's going to watch this, and I want her to be a little bit surprised when she receives this and opens it up on her own. So just know that the pockets are full of little goodies, and behind here I just put happy birthday. So that is what's on that side, which is all the unicorns. And then when we flip that little embellished tag up, we have the donuts. I love this. I probably should show you real quick the paper pad that I used. It is this one, and it is called Teenage Dream by Recollections. And of course it was in the Hot Buy at Michael's. And this paper pad is adorable. So this is where I got all of my paper and fun little things. See, it just looks birthday to me. Very girly, fun. So that's why I chose this paper pad, to make her fun birthday things. So back to the tag flip. So here is the front of this tag. I did lots of little buttons and I just thought the buttons were really cute, and they're from the Dollar Tree. I love putting buttons on things. And I just made this a little tuck spot, and in there I put some washi. And this is the washi collection that goes with this paper pad. So it has like donuts and like dripping sprinkles and what are these, like ice pops, and then like a sprinkles. So like I used the washi collection that goes with this paper pad as well. So I had to share. So that is her washi sample. So that when you flip this over, I made her a large dangled paper clip, and I gave her these adorable boutique brads. I just think these are so very girly, feminine. She likes that, so I thought she would really, really enjoy that. And then on the back side of the donut tag, here's another one of those clear clear pockets rather. And there is the other paper clip. See how it's like a crown? I think that is so stinking cute. And then I found these adorable shaker puff stickers. So I added some of those on the little ice cream cones. I just love this paper pad. I think it is so cute. So, and then her little dangles is a very feminine, cute shoe. I just thought that was so stinking cute. And then a little L for her name. And then when you flip that over, on this page we have the like ice cream cones and ice pops and things, and it says so chill. And then down here is another one of those little shaker stickers, and of course lots of eyelash trim because it's like my favorite. And I popped everything. It may not show on camera, but everything's kind of up on 3D tape and stuff, so everything's kind of popped up. I think that turned out really, really cute. And then when you flip that over, there is another huge paper clip with a dangle, and it has a key and a little cupcake for her birthday. I thought that was really, really cute. And then on the back of this one is another one of those clear pockets, and I put a whole bunch of goodies in it as well, and it is all donut themed. So I thought that turned out really, really cute. So that is her tag flip. That. And then you were to make 2 embellishments. So sticking with that theme, I made her these. I'm not going to take them out because all of the little funfetti would fall out, and that's for her. So these are my 2 embellishments. Again, sticking with that theme. So here's the donut, and then here is the little ice cream cone. I love these. I think they turned out really cute. And again, I used the foam tape so everything's kind of popped up. And I used some paper from the collection to, you know, just bring a little fun to it. And at the top it says, "Let the party begin." So I hope she loves the colors and everything, because I think it's very feminine and girly, and I hope this is what she wanted, light colors. So there is my 2 little embellishments. I think they turned out so stinking cute. I really, really like that. So of course we had to make a birthday card as well. And I wanted to show you that I got this like 2-3 years ago from, oh my goodness, Target. That's what that looks like. Target. And I wanted to show you, I picked this specifically because I love the envelope. Look at the inside of the envelope. Look at that glitter. I love it. It just speaks party to me. So I really wanted to use this envelope. So I was like, I'll probably have to alter the card. So when I pulled the card out, I realized they were from Valentine's Day. So the card said, "Ooh la la." So I just completely altered it. So it went from that to that because I really, 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 really wanted to use the envelope because I just love the look of that. I thought that was really, really cute. So this is her little altered birthday card. and I think it turned out really cute. And again, I kind of stuck with the theme. There's the sprinkles. This is the diamonds paper that came from the tag that had the unicorn on it. Happy birthday, lots of buttons. I added some lace, so it's very feminine. And then when you flip it open, I added more of that same theme, the dripping ice cream, sweet. There's her birthday cake. A little note to her. Here is the little pops down here. So I really hope she likes that with the cute little envelope. I mean, how stinking cute is that? I think that's so feminine and very, very cute and pretty. And then I have these adorable little packages here. These little sack and things. This is from the Paper Studio, so I think I got this from either Hobby Lobby or Michael's, but they open up pretty wide. I'm probably going to have to use two of them. I think I'm going to put my tag flip in one and then her embellishments in the card in the other. But I'm going to put them in these bags, and then I'm going to use bows and all that stuff and make them look like presents when I package them up to send to her. But this is my video response. I just wanted to share with you lovies. And if you guys are interested, it's, let me think. I think this all has to be into her. Oh my goodness. I know it's in her video, so don't quote me on it, but I'm almost positive it has to be all into her by December 1st. But please watch her video to find out all of her specifics, I can't talk, and things like that. But if I remember correctly, I think it was December 1st. So you guys have plenty of time if you would like to enter in on your own. And if you have never heard of her channel and you go over to check her out and sub, make sure you tell her that Missy sent you over. If you like to craft, you're going to love her channel because I really, really enjoy it. But that's it for me today, guys. I just wanted to share my little entry and let you guys know that yes, I host these kinds of things myself, but I love entering them. I love doing this stuff myself. That's why I host them, because I love doing them myself. So I know you guys probably love doing them as well. Anyways, as usual, I'm rambling. But anyways, guys, as always, take care of you. Do what you love. And until the next time, guys, I'll see you then. Bye.